Alright guys, I'm going to do a really quick walkthrough of what's going on several of the crypto projects right now from a technical standpoint. I'm not worried, honestly. I kind of like seeing the retracement we're seeing right now. So looking at Bitcoin, right, we still have very much a bullish setup here. We are very much still in breakout mode. Everything's still looking good. Let me show you on the weekly. We are literally just retesting, which is healthy. So this is some retracement, some retests of the breakout we just had, and you can expect more upward continuation to come. Honestly, I'd be more concerned if we just kept on ripping without retracement at this point, but you can see we're already starting to attempt to show a bounce right there at that previous level from that bull flag that we broke out of. So I'll be looking to see if we can actually bounce off this zone here and move upward. Again, still looking at the 100K level to see if we hit a psychological point where we see some selling before we see a little bit more of a pullback again and have more upward continuation. So Bitcoin's still looking good. Looking over at Solana, for instance, same thing. Bullish breakout, still showing some consolidation going on here after a slight retracement. Held that support in that range. Even if we pulled back to this level to retest that support from the previous bull flag, that is good. We're going to be ripping to new highs. The measured move on Solana and several others is significantly higher than we are right now. We haven't even began alt season, so as of right now, really not worried about a lot of these crypto projects. If anything, this is a great opportunity that people could be taking to actually add to positions or into positions that they feel like they missed out on previously. So same thing over here on Stellar Lumen or XLM. You look at this, that is a beautiful bullish pennant or falling wedge pattern also is what we have going on there, where you can look for a breakout move to retest these highs and then even potentially have a breakout to the upside of 125 to 140%, give or take, which would put us well above this range and would actually get us back in this range from the previous high. So again, look at all the momentum we have. Healthy retracement's a good thing. Really not concerned at all right now with crypto. Let me switch over real quick and pull up the other crypto projects that people were asking about. So same thing with SHIB. And as I'm walking through this, I'm going to upload this video for y'all. Y'all can see all the reference levels of support and resistance here. So SHIB, here's some levels you want to watch here. Overall, still bullish setup. Going for the breakout attempt, it'll be good. Doge, same thing. We are in a bullish breakout at this moment. We're building a fresh new bull flag here. Based off that, we're going to have continuation. So consolidation in these zones is a good thing. I am excited, especially as we head into the holidays. This is normally where you really see things start to pick up with crypto if you think back to 2021. So this is going to be good. Don't freak out over the tiny little retracements. If some of y'all could see my portfolio value right now and how much it's pulled back in the last 24 hours, you'd probably lose your crap. But overall, I look across the last 7 days and 30 days on most of the things that are sitting in my portfolio, and they're still up significantly from even that. So if you're long on crypto, you really shouldn't be stressing with this kind of stuff. You're trading short term here and there. Maybe you are stressed a little bit, but ultimately a lot of these crypto projects are still very much bullish. I have not seen one yet that is bearish. Same thing here. We have yet another bull flag going on with Ethereum, going for the breakout. You can see here we complete the first measured move that I had, and then from there we've had consolidation within that range. So we're going to be looking for more upward push. I was going to try to keep this video just to crypto specifically, but since we're already here, I'm going to talk through a few of the crypto stocks really quick, and then that'll kind of keep this video a little bit shorter than what we've normally been doing, but also will give you some value to be able to look at things that are on both sides related to crypto. So here we had the breakout of the downtrend. This is very much still a bullish setup. The measured move of this wedge breakout that we have here is going to be well up in that range of the $16 to $20 range, likely a lot higher. I'm looking for a retest of this trend line that you can see here, probably around the 1680 level. But these pullbacks like this, when we're getting this initial breakout and retest, this is where you add to a position for a longer term swing on these things, especially with crypto stocks that are going to rip more and more as we get past that consolidation at the current zone. So same thing here on Mara. You can see we got a slight rejection and pullback there on the weekly, but we're showing signs of consolidation and probably going to rip up higher. So definitely a good spot. I added to a Mara position today based off just this setup right here alone. The measured move for this setup puts us at the 31 resistance or the $40 resistance. What a lot of people aren't used to with crypto stocks specifically is they feel like they're just kind of stuck or chilled or like they're crapping out, and in reality they consolidate and then they rip and make these massive moves higher once crypto consolidates a bit more. So I'm not worried. I've been down this road before several times. You know, it was just a week ago with that people were like, oh, I really wish I would have bought Coinbase or MicroStrategy, or I missed the opportunity. No, this is your opportunity. Take the opportunity. These are great positions and areas to add to your longs on crypto stocks, because 2025 is going to be wild for crypto for various different reasons. But yeah, still bullish setup here. Breakout. This likely moves up and retest the highs on Coinbase. MicroStrategy, the vicious cycle of sailors selling off shares and then buying Bitcoin with it. I mean, look at this. People are freaking out. We haven't even lost the whole week worth of gains that we had last week on MicroStrategy. So we needed this pullback. It's good pullback. It's healthy. I wouldn't even be sad if I saw MicroStrategy hit this 278 gap fill. I will load the boat on MicroStrategy if I see that. Another good one you can look at if you're kind of wanting a stock specifically is this actual ETF for MicroStrategy. It gives you good exposure to MicroStrategy, and it has a kind of crazy dividend payout monthly. So it's about 10% give or take or whatever the price is. So yeah, that's like $3 per month of payout that you get from just the dividends on that. So again, all these are looking good. See any other Matic or Polygon real quick? I'll look at that because somebody asked. Matic, look, holding the bull flag. So yet again, very much bullish. Even if I was to pull this down here a little bit, that's still very much a bullish setup. So Matic will rip even more once we actually hit a true alt season, because we're not there yet. So things are still looking good. Things are looking awesome from a crypto perspective. There's lots of crypto projects I didn't cover in this video, but wanted to just touch on some of the more recent projects that me and several other people are in and have exposure to, as well as some of the crypto stocks. And look, Chainlink over here, same thing. Inverse head and shoulders breakout setup that we are making the move towards, and yet another bull flag forming. So don't freak out with crypto. We need the pullbacks. If you bought the highs of this run, I wouldn't stress too much, because it's very likely that you're going to see a lot higher highs. I know a lot of people that bought the highs of 2021 on Bitcoin and others, they regret it up until the point that we made our new highs this year. So that being said, gonna wrap up the video here. Just keeping it short and sweet, talking through these primary cryptos and crypto stocks. If there's any other stuff that y'all want help with, stay tuned, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks all.